This video is sponsored by Sephora. I like that a lot. I am looking like a diva right now, pulling it together. Wow. Let's play. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a sneak peek of the September Sephora Playbox. We're gonna check out all the amazing goodies that's inside, and I'm gonna demo them here for you right now. So if you wanna have a sneak peek of what's inside, make sure you keep watching. Tiff Benson here, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you barefaced, fresh-faced realness so that we can go ahead and test out all the goodies that are inside of this month's Sephora Playbox. As you know, when I'm not here on YouTube, I am always posting my beauty updates on Instagram, so make sure you go ahead and follow me there. If you were following me, then you already got a behind the scenes of what's inside. If you're watching this on mobile and you'd like to play along, make sure to take a screen grab right now. Share it in your Insta stories. Don't forget to tag me, and I'll make sure to share it in my own Insta story feed. Leave a comment right now. Let me know what are your thoughts on subscription-based boxes, and let me also know if you have the Playbox. I'm so curious. So make sure to hit that like button so we can go ahead and jump right into the video. Jumping in to get my laptop just so that we can get all the juicy deets from Sephora.com. Yes, so here we are on Sephora.com, and it says that this is a subscription-based box that you get for $10 a month. Each month you'll get 6 samples from the top most sought-after beauty brands. It says here that we get to try the beauty that we'll love. Each box comes with some buzzworthy brands. Yes, we get it. Worth up to $65 in value. Okay. Each box comes with 50 bonus beauty insider points so that you can redeem it online or in the store. That's really good because you know I'm all about redemption. Yes. I actually really love going into Sephora and redeeming my points. It's one of my favorite things to do. And then lastly, it says that we can get to level up our skills. Each month you'll receive exclusive videos, fun tutorials, and tons of hacks for your products. Okay, so that's really cool. There's a little community element to it, which I appreciate. So now that we have a full understanding of this box, let's go ahead and play because I'm trying to get this makeup look together. Honey, you know it's very rare that I come to you fresh-faced on this channel. So let's hurry up. All right, so when you get this home, the box will look like this. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. We get this bag with the samples inside. It's reusable and we can recycle it. We've got some directions for good use on the back of the product here. And then here is the front with all the samples inside. Here's a little insert that actually gives you a breakdown of each product that you receive inside, and also make sure to keep it, read it, don't throw it away, because here are your 50 beauty insider points. Use them, redeem them, redemption. So it looks like we have a conditioner from Briogeo. We have a fragrance sample. It is called Sage Spell from Viktor and Rolf. We have Lancome Mascara, Monsieur Big Lancome Mascara. We have the Belief Cream. This is a moisturizer for the skin. We have First Aid Beauty's Pore Minimizing Primer. Lastly, we have the Gimme Brow by Benefit. First thing I want to start off with is a moisturizer. I've already showered today. My hair is wet and washed, ready to prep for that Briogeo Don't Despair hair conditioner. But first, we're gonna try the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. It says here that this intensely moisturizing balm is an action-packed cream that leaves skin super smooth, supple, and nurtured for 26 hours. Wow. I want to be nurtured for 26 hours. Okay, try this on the skin. Now, I just tried a lot, and I'm actually kind of impressed with how much product you actually get in here for a sample. I think it's pretty generous. And let's try it. Not a smell. Actually, it's like a slightly clean, fresh smelling scent. Okay. Let me come up close so that you can see. Nice. Feels really nice. This moisturizer feels pretty silky, hydrating. As you can see, or I hope you can see, I feel like I'm getting a little glow. So far, I like that. I like that a lot. So I think I'll do the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Deep Conditioning Mask. That is a mouthful. It's formulated with naturally derived ingredients. This mask visibly restores essential hydration and helps strengthen strands. A true hair hero story. After shampooing, which my hair is already shampooed, apply a quarter size amount. Now y'all know I got a lot of hair. Quarter size amount will not do it for me. You may need more depending on how thick your hair is. Yes. See, Sephora, y'all are talking to me right there, because that's me. Leave in for 10 minutes and then rinse. Repeat once or twice a week. So let's go ahead and just try this. I have tried this mask before in the past. Ooh, just in case you're curious what I shampooed with, I will share it with you. The Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana Coconut Rinsing Superfood Shampoo. Their line is really great because it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. They are a line that's clean as Sephora, so get into it. My hair is actually really growing long, and I'm going really gray. I don't know how I feel about that just yet, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. I'm definitely not gonna color it. Here's the product. Yeah, that's probably enough. And I probably have a little bit more inside to go for another treatment. This smells kind of like herbally. It's like an herbal smell to this deep conditioner. One of my favorite things to do in life is deep condition my hair. I just love self-care. I love to take care of my hair. I think it's one of the most important things that I can do for myself, because when I have really great hair, I just feel so much better about myself. And when my hair is looking really great and like really moisturized and really defined, it's life-changing for me. So off the bat, what I really want to say about this conditioner is that it has a ton of slip, like a lot of slip. If you can see, it's pretty easy for me to detangle my hair at this point because this product has so much slip. Cool. So detangling took me literally no time. I'm gonna put my hair back in this ponytail. I'm gonna put my Diva Curl towel back on for good measure. Only for 10 minutes though. All right, cool. Now we can get back into this face. Next product that we're going to try is the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. It's oil-free and it's safe for sensitive skin, which I like to hear because first of all, look at my skin. I don't like breakouts. Breakouts make me sad. They hurt my soul. Let's play. Let's try it. Let's see. Now that I think my moisturizer has set in. I mean, I don't even know how much primer to use. I'm so not like a makeup geek anymore. I promise you. I like the smell. Smells get me. You know, I'm all into smells. It does smell very figgy, like a clean fig scent. It's light. Okay, pores be gone. Shall I come up close? It kind of smells like fig cucumber, like cucumber fig. Just throwing that out there. Oh, wait. Okay. And it has like a cooling sensation going on here. Wow. 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 I'm gonna let that sink in, put on some foundation and concealer, and then come back with my next product, which is Monsieur Big Lancome Mascara. I love Lancome mascaras. I was really excited to see this in my Sephora play box because I love lashes. They're everything and more to me. It says here that this creamy, high volume mascara delivers bold lashes for up to 24 hours. That's applause-worthy beauty. I trust Lancome. Lancome is like the best when it comes to mascara. I know this after like years and years of trying other brands. I'm just like, give me my Lancome. If you can see the brush, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Mascara from Lancome is the best. It is the best. Best, best, best. It is the best mascara ever. Without. You can see. Ooh. This is so lovely. I've actually been working on growing my lashes too. It's like I put on false lashes. Wow. Okay, let's do the other eye. Honestly, I feel like what's noteworthy about this mascara is that it's very, very buildable. On the box, it says up to 12 times more volume, and they are clearly not kidding. I mean, look at my lashes. Wow. Love, 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 love. Okay. All right, so now I'm starting to look like myself. Thank you, God. The next product that we're going to try out is the Give Me Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel by Benefit. It says here, get brows that steal the spotlight with this volumizing gel. It uses tiny microfibers that adhere to your hairs and skin for mess-free application. I don't do much with my brows because I like to grow my brows. I think my brows are fine. I don't even pluck my brows anymore. I'm just not interested in it because I really like a full, thick, dense brow look. It's just what I'm into. Here's a cute little packaging and let's try it out. Let's see what this looks like. Let's play. Okay, interesting. 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 Whoa. Okay. Yeah, that's very different from what I'm used to, but not in a bad way. It's kind of like giving me, because my brows are already super thick and dense, it's giving me a bit of a bushy brow, but I'm not mad at it. I'm totally not mad at it. It's the boy brow. I'm a tomboy secretly at heart. You might not know this about me, but it's true. I think the color is good. I'm actually glad that it's a little lighter because I think if it were too light, it would just be it's my werewolf. Little werewolfy. Okay, I like this product. I like this product a lot. For one, I know with myself, because I don't do anything with my brows and I don't plan on doing anything with my brows, that sometimes my brows can look like just a little, not unkempt, but they're just not as like clean as they possibly could be. And this is giving me a thicker, clean look, which I like. I like that a lot. I am looking like a diva right now, pulling it together. Wow. I look good. I look really good. Ooh. Ooh. And lastly, which I know is something that you've all been waiting for, is the Sage Spell by Viktor and Rolf. This is from their Magic collection. In full transparency, I have tried this before in the past and I was like, give me liquid diamonds instead, but for the sake of the video, I'll try it on and I'll wear it because I'm a team player. You know what I'm saying? I am such a team player. It's interesting because it's very woody and earthy, and to me, it kind of reads as a little bit mature. I have to test it out during the day and see what I ultimately think. It's definitely been about 10 minutes, so it's time to wash this conditioner out and I will be back in a flash. So I'm back. Hair looks good, face looks good, lashes look good, brows look good, and last and most importantly, I smell good. So, did you enjoy this video? If you did, make sure to hit that like button and give me a big thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time that I post a video here on YouTube. I have 2 channels here on YouTube. This fragrance channel, and I have a channel that's dedicated solely to beauty and skincare. So if you love all things beauty and feeling glamorous and just stepping into that beauty zone, make sure that you do subscribe to that channel as well. I'll link it below and leave it in the cards above. Thank you so much for watching. Love you forever. Watch what's up next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.